Hi, today I will show you a new issue of Coloring Haven, and this is Misfits special 40 strange designs by White Stag. And this is one of the funniest coloring book I've ever seen. So the artist is Tara Biddlesbacher or White Stag, and she is known for her dark and sometimes humorous pictures. And really, there is enough of humor and a lot of cute animals and cute creatures on each picture. Here, of course, we have cats, unicorns, but for other creatures I just don't have names. But they are absolutely cute and they are great. The name of this picture is The Unfortunate End of Tree Girl, and I don't know whether I want to cry or to laugh when I look at this picture. This one is flawed. Look at this so cute bees. I like that they are fat and with very small wings. They are so cute. The next one is hatchling. And this is the nuclear forest. Again, a little bit creepy, but still great. The artist has amazing her own style, and I must confess that I've never heard about the artist until this issue. And this is one of my favorite pictures because I love lemmings, especially this one in the center. Just let me show you better. This one. And we also have a lemming with a cake and a Superman lemming, so they are just adorable. This is a unicorn, and I love the idea. Deserted island, and this is one way. Oh, this one is sad because she is a ghost. Pictures are quite simple and they won't take you a long time to finish them, and I think that they are perfect to use alcohol-based markers or pencils, of course, but for markers they are just in the perfect size, not so detailed, but you can practice coloring faces and feathers and clothes. Oh, I love this one. This is I Saw the Wolf. This one is just sweet and cute, something sparkling. Transient Railway. This one is romantic. I'll be waiting. And I love this dinosaur, even if it's just the skeleton of the dinosaur. Cookie Thief. Oh, this one is amazing. I love the idea of the zombie bread man. I laugh so hard. And this one also is great because it's a Christmas tree. Look at this garland and lamps. I just don't know how to comment because I think that you're able to see much better than I can comment it. I like the cat on this royal picnic. Midwinter Bats. I think that it's so great that with each issue, Coloring Haven are able to find a new artist, and we are able to learn something new about maybe not so famous designers and artists. For example, I didn't think that I've ever heard about Zan von Z pictures if I haven't received the issue of Coloring Haven, and now Zan von Z is one of my favorite artists. And this issue is definitely another successful Coloring Haven. I like this companion in Madness. The fox is so cute. Or maybe it's a cat, I don't know. Oh, it's for me. Sugar Heart, it's just a picture for me because I really love sweets. This one is a little bit creepy with a crystal in my eye. Here we have two sirenes. This one is sisters. Oh, rabbit stew, it's such a great picture, such a humorous picture. Look who makes the rabbit stew. I really love the idea. It's definitely a coloring book for you if you like unicorns. But my favorite picture is the last one. And of course here we have picture for the Wizard of Oz. And look how cute are all characters. This is definitely the best in the whole magazine. And finally we have a great news from Coloring Haven, because now they have a subscription. Unfortunately, the discounts now relates only to the UK subscribers, but at least with the subscription you will be able to get a very popular issue for sure and won't miss the new interesting issues and new designers. I will leave you a link to the publisher's site, and the subscription can start with the next issue. I think it's just great news. Pictures in this issue are really strange, but in the same time they are absolutely adorable and very positive. I laughed a lot, and I hope that you also like this review. Thanks for watching. Until the next videos. Have a happy coloring time!